So, the BookGlow Smart Projector is marketed as a compact projector designed specifically for reading ebooks, comics, and PDFs on a large wall, while also supporting movies, games, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Android apps. The site currently lists it at $89.99, but there are a few things the marketing doesn't really emphasize. The biggest concern is the lack of established history. The domain was only registered on August 8, 2026, and independent checks currently flag the site as very young with a very low trust score, so there's limited evidence of a long-term customer track record. I'd also look closely at the projector itself. BookGlow says it uses manual focus, automatic keystone correction, a 5W speaker, and mains power, but the product page doesn't provide some important projector specifications you'd normally want to compare, such as verified brightness figures. So, is the BookGlow Smart Projector worth buying? The concept is interesting, but I'd verify the specifications, seller history, final price, and return policy before spending your money. Overall, the projector may be useful for casual entertainment and reading, but the limited track record is the biggest reason I'd be cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.